Let's start the introduction of the chapter 7, part 2, COORG. In the very beginning, I have told you this chapter is divided into 3 parts. Now we are in the second part of this chapter, COORG by Lokesh Abroad. This is the smallest district of Karnataka, and this is famous for its tourism, rainforest and spices. And it lies between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. This is not Bangalore, this is Mangalore. Mangalore is a different city which is on the coast of the sea, you can say. So here in this chapter, the author has tried to bring out many things about that particular place, that this place is famous for its rainforest and spices. सदाबहार पेड़ और जो है वहाँ के जो मसाले पैदा होते हैं, स्पेशली कॉफ़ीज़ वगैरह. Then this place is also famous for its martial man, beautiful woman and wild creatures. The people or the local person call this place as Kodagu also. Then we have a lot of coffee plantations over there, and on 30% of this district there are evergreen rainforests. And time from these visitors, or especially you can say the person who go there for this one, that commences from September to March. Means a lot of pilgrims, or you can say not pilgrims, tourists, those who go there from September to March. Otherwise, almost throughout the year that rains in that part. Now, the people, you will find a beautiful fragrance of coffee there in the air especially. And it's also been told that the people who are living over there, they are from the Greek or Arabic descent. Means as per some stories, the Alexander's army came there along the coast, and when they could not return back, they settled over there and married to the local woman. Then some say their dress code is just like Arabs and Kurds, because their kufiya which they wear resembles to the kufiya that the Arabs and Kurds wear. And these people are very hospitable, means they receive their, you can say, guests very well. Then they have their tales of valor. Valor means of courage. Koorgi regiment is one regiment which is highly decorated in the Indian Army, and the first Chief General Cariappa of Indian Army was a Koorgi. And they carry their licenses throughout the India without any, you can say firearms, not licenses, firearms, like your guns, pistols and all that one, they carry without license. Then river Kaveri is also being mentioned, that takes its water from the hills and forest of COORG. Mahasir, a large freshwater fish, is found in abundance there. Then a lot of tourists go there, especially those people who are very fascinated towards the river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain trekking, etc. These people go there. Then flora and fauna of that particular area is also being mentioned. Birds, bees, butterflies, then macaws, Malabar squirrels, langur, slender lories. They will just fascinate you. Then there is one hill, Brahmagiri Hills. Once you climb that one, you will have a panoramic view of 64-acre Nisargadham, which is the largest Tibetan settlement nearby Alkuppe in India, and that is the heart and soul of India. In fact, this chapter takes you to the Karnataka and tells you about that particular place, that the people are very hospitable and there are coffee plantations in abundance, and a lot of tourists go there in fact, and one must go there. It is between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore. So this was a brief about the chapter COORG. I'll come on to the interpretational part. There are certain word meanings are also being mentioned at the downside of the page. Just go through all those. They are very, very important for you guys. I'm not just giving you for the writing purpose, but definitely I'm giving you here itself. And if you want, you can write there in your copy. Otherwise, just go through them here. I have just covered a lot of word meanings, especially from this chapter 5 and 5.10. These are some very good words from this chapter. So please take care of these word meanings.